Hi, this is how to clone an email template. So in Setup, you select Templates under Customization, and then choose the email template you want to clone. Once you select that, you'll see Clone on the right side, so you click Clone, and then you'll be asked to change the template name, and then select the module you want the template to be in. So I'll select Leads, then Clone. Once you do that, you'll be asked to change the tag since you've moved into a different module. So I'll change this one to lead name. So once you do that, you'll be able to save it. Then you can save it to whichever folder you want to do it. Save it in. So after that, you click Save, and it's done. So that's how you clone a template and move it to a different module.